Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Looking to finally get organized and stay consistent with your daily habits? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create your own perfect daily routine planner in Notion using a professional free template. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up, personalize, and use a daily routine planner that actually works for you, so you can boost productivity and keep life on track with less hassle. Let's jump right in. For this demonstration, we're going to use the free daily routine planner dashboard template available in Notion. Now, why use a template? Well, if you've ever started a planner from scratch and found yourself stuck on formatting or layout, templates are designed to save you time and give your workspace a clean, professional look right out of the gate. You can think of it like buying a pre-assembled bookshelf. Sure, you can build one yourself, but sometimes it just feels great to start with something solid and tweak it to fit your style. Once you're in Notion, take a look at the top left of the screen. You'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on that to open up more options. It's okay if you can't find it right away. Notion hides a lot of features up in this corner, so just scan slowly and give it a try. When the menu opens, look for the option that says Browse Templates. This is your treasure chest, where Notion keeps a wide variety of pre-made pages for all sorts of tasks. Click on Browse Templates, and then in the search bar, type Daily Routine Planner. You'll see a few options pop up, and I recommend previewing each one to see which appeals the most to your workflow or aesthetic. Sometimes you might want one with colorful icons, or maybe you prefer something clean and minimal. Take a moment to pick the dashboard that feels motivating. When you found your favorite, just hit Add. Notion will copy the template into your workspace and open it up for you. This part might take a moment, especially if your connection is a little slow, but don't worry, it'll all load in. Now comes the fun part, making this planner yours. Go ahead and start adding your credentials, your morning intentions, or anything that you want to see on your dashboard each day. Maybe you want to set up creative spaces for journaling, habit trackers, or to-do lists. Take a minute to customize it, change titles, add emojis, tweak the colors. Personalizing your planner is truly where the magic happens. If you want, add links to motivational videos, your favorite playlist, or inspirational quotes. This way, each day when you open Notion, you're greeted by a space that feels energizing and tailored just for you. You don't have to get everything perfect on your first go. Notion is super flexible. You can come back and adjust your dashboard anytime you want, whether it's adding a new daily task, moving things around, or just refreshing the look when you need a change of atmosphere. And that's really it. You've launched your own daily routine planner in Notion, ready to keep your days organized and help build those small habits that add up to big results. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. Drop me a comment below if you have any questions or want advice on customizing your template. I love hearing about how you're using Notion. And if you want more practical, easy-to-follow productivity tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and here's to your most productive days yet.